Hi, my name's Ian Carroll, and I'm a crafter here at Light Software Consultancy. So I'm going to be doing a talk on what are apprentices doing at the Light Software Consultancy. This is an exploration of our apprenticeship model here at Light. So the first thing to ask is, what's an apprentice? Well, every software engineer at Light starts as an apprentice. They're assigned a seasoned software crafter as a personal mentor. They're paid to learn, and they contribute no billable code. So they actually produce nothing for us while they're an apprentice. Another thing to know about apprentices is that we spend tens of thousands of dollars in each apprentice before they begin to return our investment. It is a paid apprenticeship and a full-time position. Even senior hires start as apprentices. So absolutely every single person who comes through our doors has been an apprentice. So that's another thing. Finally, it also extends our ramp-up time. So whenever we hire someone new, usually you're not going to see them actually producing anything billable for any clients for anywhere from 3 to 9 months or maybe even longer, depending on the need. So what are we doing? Why are we wasting all this money on training? Shouldn't that be what, I don't know, colleges are for, or boot camps? Can't they do this sort of stuff for us? What we need are more seasoned, what's the word? Oh, gosh. You know, I hear it all the time. And I hear it from a lot of various software companies that they say that what they really need are more senior engineers. And here we are hiring junior ones. And so that makes me ask the question, what exactly are we doing? Everyone else is looking for seasoned senior developers, and here we are spending all this money on training. Well, there are some benefits to the apprenticeship. For one thing, it sets a high bar of quality for the code that we produce. And that's one thing that we really pride ourselves on here at Light, is that we produce quality software. Another thing is this allows us to tap unmined talent. Not every single person can get through a boot camp or has the amount of money needed to do so. Not every single person who would be really great as a software developer has gone through college or can even afford to or has the access. This allows for a much greater range of diversity also. What if somebody has a different degree, something other than software? And what if that person could contribute something amazing to software because of the different point of view that they have? Well, now they can because of the way the apprenticeship works. So this allows for a much greater sense of diversity. For example, my background is not in software. It's not in computer science. I don't have a CS background. My background is in theater. And besides that, I've had a lot of experience with retail sales. And I've also spent a great amount of time diving into East Asian philosophies. So not exactly a typical software crafter, or for that matter, a typical software engineer. There are other people in our office that do have traditional CS backgrounds. We do, it's not like we say no to CS backgrounds. Of course, that's really valuable, but it's not the only thing that's valuable. We also have a mechanical engineer here. There is someone here from the world of finance as well. So we have all different types. This allows for a great range of different points of view to help you solve your problems. Finally, what it also does, the apprenticeship, is it establishes a community of passionate professional learners amongst the team here. Every single one of us has gone through this program, and every single one of us has spent time afterwards continuing to learn. It's not something that you really stop once you've done it for like 6 months or 9 months. You just keep going at it. So that's one of the real values of this, is it really allows for a culture of innovation. But that's not really the only thing that makes an apprenticeship valuable, and the apprenticeship model in general. Apprentices are not actually what sets Light apart. That's not the real value of the apprenticeship, surprisingly enough. It's the other half of it. It's the mentors. Mentors are what set Light apart. With the mentorship, what ends up happening is we get a chance to practice our consulting skills, our teaching skills, our ability to guide people in developing better software for themselves and creating better teams, more innovative teams. So this is practice for our technical consultants. We relearn our principles from our apprentice's perspective. We guide the apprentice to be better than they thought possible, and we follow the lead of our apprentice as they uncover their very best work. So that's what we do as a mentor. Now, I did kind of give this away a little bit, but that's not the only thing that this is good for. It's not just good for apprentices. It's also good for clients, because how we treat our apprentices is how we treat our clients as well. Apprentices are no different than clients, and clients are no different than apprentices. In both cases, we are, how we do anything is how we do everything here at 8th Light. So how we mentor our apprentices is how we serve our clients as well. When we practice as technical consultants for our clients, we do the same thing we do with our apprentices. We relearn our own principles from our client's perspective and with our clients' needs in mind. We guide our clients to be better than they thought possible, and we follow the lead of our clients as they uncover their very best work. We're not going to be sages on the stage here. We're going to be more like guides on the sides. That's cliche, and I apologize, but it's true. So the thing is that our continuing mission here at 8th Light, in general, is to improve the quality of code in the world. That is a big bill, but it is also what we do. We do that with every client that we help. We do that with every apprentice that we help. And we also do that with the community that we build in addition to that. We teach anyone who is willing to learn, be they apprentice or client, or anyone really. So yeah, might want to consider stopping by. We do have meetups here in Los Angeles, and I think at some of our other offices as well. We also have offices in Chicago, New York, London. There are other ones also. But I think we're just starting one in Seattle, for example. So those are the things that set 8th Light apart. So thank you very much for watching this video, and I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you learned something, and hope to see you around. Thanks.